Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful and trendy crochet sofa cover designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I'm back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet sofa cover design. Easy patterns, knitted patterns, stylish and beautiful crochet sofa cover designs you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my channel. You can decorate your room, your lounge with your beautiful and stylish crochet sofa cover designs with matching pillow cover design, cushion cover designs, cotton designs and many more. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet sofa covers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, ebiva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.